Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to spray Nautica Voyage effectively. To begin, always ensure your skin is clean and well moisturized before application. This helps the fragrance adhere better. Aim for pulse points such as your wrists, the sides of your neck, and behind your ears. Hold the bottle about 4 to 6 inches from your skin for an even mist, ensuring good coverage without oversaturating. Beyond pulse points, consider applying a light spray to your chest. This area allows the scent to rise subtly throughout the day, creating a pleasant aura. You can also apply a very light mist to your clothing, which helps the fragrance last longer. Remember, never rub the fragrance into your skin after spraying, as this can break down the scent molecules and diminish its intended aroma. For Nautica Voyage, a good starting point is typically 2 to 4 sprays. This amount usually provides a noticeable yet not overwhelming presence. If you desire a stronger or longer-lasting effect, you might add 1 or 2 more sprays. Keep in mind that you can always reapply after about 4 to 6 hours if you feel the scent has faded and you wish to refresh your fragrance. To truly maximize your Nautica Voyage experience, always moisturize your skin before spraying. Hydrated skin holds fragrance much better. Proper storage is also key. Keep your bottle in a cool, dark place, away from direct sunlight and extreme temperatures, to preserve its integrity. Finally, consider layering with unscented body lotions or washes to ensure the fragrance remains the star without any competing scents.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.